Hello everybody, it's Mindy and welcome back if you're returning and welcome if you're new. I hope you find things you like here and you stick around and you subscribe. So let me tell you what I have here. This is another painting from Yulee and I'm going to show it to you, but I want to tell you a little bit of information first. I'll probably start taking it out of the box. I got a whole sheet here. So this is an email from Alex, and Alex is the owner behind this company, the artist behind all of the artwork. And so I wanted to share with you. He sent me another email. We've been kind of going back and forth, and he just, first of all, he's very, very grateful that I purchased a painting from him and I showed it to you. And so he's offered to just send me another one. This is compliments of him. So I have another painting to show you. And this was one of his newer pieces of artwork. So we'll talk about that in a minute. But let me tell you a little bit about him. He shared some stuff about his personal life, and I found it very interesting. So he is 44 years old, and he lives in Taiwan with his family. However, he was born and raised in Amsterdam in the Netherlands. When he was a child, he was very creative. He always enjoyed drawing and working with his hands, pursued a career in carpentry, and spent several years working in house construction before he realized, well, that wasn't truly fulfilling. So he did some soul searching and discovered a passion for interior design. So he had a carpentry background and found great joy in not only the designing, but also constructing interiors. He ran his own interior design company in the Netherlands for a little while, and then life took a beautiful turn and he met his wife, who's from Taiwan. They fell in love and he just couldn't bear the thought of being separated any longer, so made the life-changing decision to move to Taiwan about 12 years ago and has never looked back. So in Taiwan, he works as an English and art teacher, which I love that. He can fully utilize his creativity and share his passion for the arts and crafts with younger students. It brings him immense joy to see their artistic talents flourish. Alongside his teaching career, then he stumbled upon the art of diamond painting, and it became a significant part of his life. So his shop has been online. He mentioned his shop was online for 1.5 years. Actually, that was when he started his whole business. The shop is new. So I believe the shop started at the beginning of 2023. So he has started the business, he started creating things, he started putting together his website, doing all of that stuff, starting an actual business, but the website didn't go live until beginning of this year. He built it from scratch, handled all the aspects on his own. He's a perfectionist Virgo, so he's always making changes and improvements. So this is what I got from him, and I think it's just awesome. I think he does a great job. I love that he's a teacher and teaches art and English. I mean, it's a wonderful story, isn't it? This is a new entry to his website. There were 3 that were similar, and I picked out this one. It is on the bottom of the box as well. There were a series of dogs, and this one's called Chocolate Joy. I noticed that he has added some horoscope, some, signs of the horoscope paintings. And I just got an email yesterday, and I'd already seen them, but he has a line of houses, manors, they're nice houses with florals and paths up to them and things like that. And they're really, really nice. So that is some new artwork he's added. So, I mean, I've only known about him for, a little while here, but he's already added a lot of new artwork. And he'll continue to add artwork. He's a busy guy. He's got a family. He's got the cutest daughter. I saw her on Instagram, and she was diamond painting. And I think she was diamond painting his logo. It was so cute. So, he's a busy guy. Family, works, teaches children. I mean, and then he has this company and his art. So, yeah, love it. So let me remind you that when you go to his website, you can choose the type of canvas you want. I always like the silky back one. You can get a regular like the harder, they call them eco canvas without the silky back. You can choose round or square drills. And this is important. You can choose your size. Now, some of his images will work well in a smaller size. And he says this right on his website. He says, and he shows you some renderings too. Some of the images in a smaller size are going to be more pixelated or blurry looking. So some of them, be careful what you choose. And his prices are good too. The prices are good. So one of the houses I looked at, I think I got up to like an 80 by 60 and it was like $60, right in the ballpark of what we're used to paying from a premium company, you know? So choose wisely your size, because you do choose your size. And make sure it's, if you're getting a smaller painting, it's a simpler image, okay? All right, let's look at what I have. I've already opened it. And it's super, super cute. It is a 40 by 40, and it wants to roll here a little bit. So let's, called Chocolate Joy. And like I said, there were 3 like lab-looking brownish type dogs. And they were all a little bit different. Mine just has like this, almost like a quilt pattern in the background. And these big old sunflowers in the front. And isn't he cute? Super cute. I mean, this is a nice product. We've got everything that we love. We've got soft back canvas. We've got scalloped edges. We've got 2 legends. We have the information up here with the sizing. Everything's on here, right? Name of the company is up there. This has 37 colors. The ABs are sprinkled throughout, so they're in order, like by DMC. So there's 2 oranges, 741, 742. There's a blue, 996. And there's another blue, I believe, 3766. Is that it? There are 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, I believe that's correct. But isn't it adorable? It's super cute. It has a drill in his nose. Oh my gosh, that reminds me of my dog. I have a picture of Toffee, you guys. It's hilarious. Now, if you recall, when I ordered the first time, I got a pen and tips in a case. Well, you still get a pen. You don't get the nice case anymore. I think that, you know, he's had to adjust that a bit. But you do still get a nice glow in the dark pen. And it comes with a multi-placer. So let's take it out of this bag. It's trying to come out the bag the wrong way, as you can tell. So, I mean, you still get the multi-placer. You still get the pen. You get, you know, nice stuff. It's just not in that case like he was doing. You know, you make adjustments. That was probably expensive. But there you go. Nice little pen. And it will glow in the dark. It's got moons and stars and hearts and stuff in it. And in the bag here, we have several multi-placers. So it already comes with one. It comes with a 3-placer on there. And you get your tray, right? And you get a pen. And you get some blue wax. Blue wax in here. Yep, blue wax. And then we get our 4 and our 7 placers. So you'll get 3 placers and the pen, nice pen, plus your standard. Well, not standard. It's a little bit nicer than your green boat, right? Yeah, I like it. So that is what you'll get for tools. The drills come pre-bagged like this. I might take this one with me and put some drills on it at the retreat. I need to put some on here. These are square drills. I believe my first one I ordered rounds, but this one is squares. So we'll give those a go. Everything's in here nicely. All right. Anything else I can say about this? Tons of flowers, tons of color. It's super cute. And there are 2 others, you know, that kind of match him. If you want to do a whole set, or if one looks more like a dog that you know in your life and you like one better than the other. But check out his site, please. He's adding stuff. It's great stuff. He does great artwork. We talked about the artwork before. I mean, he does painting, he draws, he does, you know, digital, combines it all to create his final pieces. And they're very nice, very nice. My friend Sue completed the little daisies, the oopsie daisies, had a ton of ABs in it. It's super pretty. If I can remember, I'll put a picture of hers at the end and I'll show you how it turned out. That's one of those images. She ordered the very smallest size and it was like small. I mean, it was like little, okay? But it's a simple image and it turned out nicely. So there you have it. Let's look at the drills. Let's see what we have. Whenever I can spotlight someone and give you more information and share more about them, I love doing that for you guys. You know, I love it. So we have a good deal of black here. Some green and orange, some pretty purple, another orange, mint, yellows, pink, orange, brown. I've got to have some brown, right? We've got this chocolate dog, a burnt red, blues, bright, bright pink. What else do we have here? We'll look for the ABs in a minute. A rusty color, more browns, that dark brown, 3371. Blues, peaches, love the colors. I think I'm down to the ABs. Nope, I got a yellow in here too. All right, here are the ABs. Like I said, there are 2 oranges. So if you can tell, this one's more of a reddish. Let's see, can you tell this one's like a more reddish orange? So it's a little darker than this one, but there's 2 oranges. It's 741 and 742. Very familiar with those oranges, and 2 blues. See the pretty blues? So I'm thinking they'll probably come in conjunction with each other when we find them. So let's look for them and see what we find. Let's see, where do the ABs go in here? And there's a good amount of ABs. There's a lot of orange. I mean, there's a lot, which, I mean, fitting with the sunflowers, right? So we got like a lightning bolt. I've never had a lightning bolt before. A lightning bolt and an A. So let's just look at one flower. Let's zoom you right up here and let's look at this flower. You see how the lightning bolts, how they make like the veins between the petals, separating the petals, all that lightning bolt. And then look at all the A. All of that A is AB, right? That's a lot. That whole flower, a lot of it. There's some lightning bolts and A's over here, up the side over here, and through here. Let's look at another flower. Same thing. So we got this darker color that's like separating the petals, and then we have the lighter orange making the actual petal on all of these flowers here. That's beautiful. There's more up here, there's more up here, and there's more up at the top even. There's some lightning bolts over here even. More A, and lightning bolts. So it's like everywhere. It's cool. I love it. That should make these flowers, oh my gosh, they should be beautiful. I love, love, love ABs and flowers. Flowers and leaves. I mean, they're beautiful that way. All right, let's look at the blues. And I'm going to assume they're going to be in the blue flowers. So we have the and symbol and a U. All right, and U. This is the and this is the U. So a dark and a light again. And U. Okay, down here again. There's the and there's the U's. Perfect, right? Look at this flower. No, not that one. Not that one. How about this one? Yes. And, U's, and U's. Love it. Do we have some up here as well? Yes, we do. Up here in this patchwork. Ands and U's come right through here. There's a few U's over here. Love it. Love, love, love it. Isn't it cute? So please, please go check him out. He has reasonable prices. He's a one-man show. This is his thing, from the art to the creation of the website to the business to everything. It's all him. And he's super nice. Yeah, please check out his website and see if there's something there that you like. You know, just go look even. I'm not saying you have to buy something, but just go look and see what he has and appreciate the art that he does. And I love the fact that he's a teacher and he teaches English and art. I just love that. I think it's wonderful. So, yep, there you have it, you guys. Another beauty from Yulee. Thank you, Alex, so much. Best of luck to you. You have a good product here. You are definitely on the right track. And I think I will take this with me to the retreat. And even if I just get a flower done, I would love to be able to show you something, right? I'll take it with me. I'm going to put it in my luggage right now. All right. Thanks everybody for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope it was beneficial and you got something out of it, right? Okay. I'm going to let you go, and I'll see you all soon. Bye, everybody.